Good morning to all. I would like to introduce myself. I am D. Kalaivani, Assistant Professor of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Vellalar College for Women. I am going to teach you about Mobile Internet Protocol, in short, Mobile IP. Before seeing Mobile IP, let us recall about the standard Internet Protocol, which we already familiar with because we used internet protocol in TCP/IP reference model. We all know very well that the IP protocol is operating in network layer of TCP/IP reference model. There are two functions done by internet protocol. First thing, addressing the nodes. Second one is routing the packets. So what is called addressing the nodes? See, if you take a network, it is consisting of number of nodes. Each node must be identified with unique address. That address is assigned by IP protocol. Because for communicating, for communication between the source and destination, definitely each packet should be addressed with the source address and the destination address. This address is assigned to each and every node of the network by IP protocol. And second function of IP protocol is routing the packets. What is meant by routing the packet? The sender will send the packets and the receiver will receive the packets. Because in a network, there are a number of possible paths between the source node and the destination node. So the IP protocol's main job is to choose the best path between the sender and the receiver. What is meant by best path? The path must be optimized path, and that should be a reliable path, and that should be secured path. So the IP's main responsibility is to choose the best path between the sender and the receiver for transmission of packets. These two functions are done by IP protocol. Now, let's see, this IP protocol is known as a standard protocol or fixed protocol or stationary protocol, right? This protocol will never be suitable for handling the today's scenario because when the IP protocol was designed, the network was fixed. But today, the entire scenario has changed because we have moved from fixed kind of network to mobile network, a dynamically changing network, right? Say for example, when we started to use internet, we all used desktop machines to connect with that. But today, we people are using only mobile gadgets to get connected with internet. So these mobile gadgets are not going to stay in one place because we people are moving from one place to other place. We want to connect to internet with mobile gadgets from home, from office, from public place, right? So wherever we are, we want to connect with internet. So this fixed network is not today's case. Today's case is dynamically changing mobile network, right? So to suit with this mobility, we cannot use the standard IP protocol. For that, this standard IP protocol has been added with the extension which supports mobility in today's mobile environment, right? So you can simply say that mobile IP is equal to IP plus mobility extension, right? I mean the standard IP features which is added with the mobility support which will form mobile IP. Then this mobile IP, let's see the definition of mobile IP. Okay, it is a communication protocol that allows the users to move from one network to another network with the same IP address. We know very well that each and every node is identified by IP address. When you change the network, the IP address is also changing. Okay, so our mobile gadgets will move from network to network today. So we cannot have a separate IP address whenever we go to different networks. Assigning 2-3 IP addresses to one node is not at all possible. So to solve such a problem, to allow one mobile node to move from one network to other network, we use mobile IP. So mobile IP will support the node to continue its process when it is changing from one network to another network. That is what has been said. It ensures that the communication will continue without interrupting the user sessions or connections. And this mobile IP protocol also enabling transfer of information between the mobile gadgets such as laptops, palm tops, cell phones, and tablets, etc. Now let's see the entities which are used in mobile IP. First one is mobile node. Any mobile gadget like laptop, palm top, or tablets, or even cell phones which move from one network to other network is known as mobile node. So this mobile node will get one IP address from its home network. Okay, when you get a mobile gadgets from the shop, definitely when it is joining a network, it will get an IP address. That IP address is called its home address because that home address is assigned by the router of the home network. So this mobile node is free to move from one network to another network. And next is home agent. Who is this agent? Agent is the another name of router. Okay, so each network is having router. We know very well that router is a well-known device used for routing, right? So whatever it may be, a foreign network or home network, definitely there will be one router. That router is known as agent. So home network is having a router called a home agent. And what is the main job of this home agent? Whatever the packets coming for a mobile node should be forwarded by this home agent to the outside of the network. And it is also using one technique called encapsulation. The next third term is foreign agent. As I said, each network will have an agent. Foreign network means for a mobile node, a newly visited network. Okay, that is what foreign network. So there also an agent will be available called a foreign agent whose job is receiving and sending data between the mobile node and the home agent because the mobile node has moved from the home network to foreign network. In such a time, the foreign agent will help the mobile node to send the data and to receive whatever the data is coming for mobile node. And one more important point about foreign agent is advertising itself periodically. What is this? This foreign agent will send a hello packet to all its nodes periodically because it has to say about its presence in the network. Whoever is joining this network, you just contact me is the meaning of that advertisement message. Okay, and the next term is care of address. So as I said, the mobile node has got one permanent address in the home agent home network. Okay, but when it is moving from its own home network to other network called a foreign network, it has to get a temporary address from the foreign agent. Okay, a node is there. The node is belonging to home network. After some time, the node is moving from the home network to foreign network. So when the mobile node enters into foreign network, the foreign agent will send an advertisement message to inform the newly arriving nodes about its presence. Then the mobile node will contact the foreign agent and it will get a temporary address from the foreign agent. Once the foreign agent assigned the temporary address to the mobile node, that has to be sent to home agent. Then the last point is correspondent node. So if you take a communication, definitely there will be two partners. One partner is moving from network to network, that is nothing but the mobile node. The other partner may be a fixed node, that node is known as correspondent node. With these terminologies, let's move on to the mobile IP support services. The main job of mobile IP is permitting the mobile node to move from one network to other network without interrupting its communication. So along with that, it has to do two supporting services. One is agent discovery, the second one is registration. Let's see now about agent discovery. Agent means I said router. Okay. Every router will broadcast a advertisement message to tell about its presence in the network. So this agent discovery is a process of introducing agent and mobile node. When a mobile node joins the network newly, it will receive that agent advertisement message and it will get to know about the agent, and both will share messages, and thus the foreign agent will come to know about the arrival of the mobile node. So, this process is done in two ways. Two methods are there to implement how to discover foreign agent. When a mobile node enters new network called foreign network, the agent advertisement message will be received by it, because every agent will send an advertisement message to tell about its presence periodically. Okay, so when a mobile node enters into network, it will receive that advertisement message and it will come to know about who is the agent of the network, and it will get one temporary address from the foreign agent. So that address is known as care of address. This is the first method. Suppose if the agent is not advertising, okay, the mobile node is not able to receive any advertisement message, or it has to wait for some long interval, then it will not wait. So immediately it will omit the agent advertisement process. It will start its own process called the agent solicitation. What is this agent solicitation? The mobile node, after entering into the foreign network, will send its own signal to the nearby agent. Okay, that signal is known as, that message is known as agent solicitation. Okay, when this agent solicitation is preferable, when the mobile node is not able to get agent advertisement message, it has to send its own message to seek, is there any agent available in the network, like that. So after receiving the agent solicitation message, the foreign agent will communicate with the mobile node. Then it will allot one temporary address called a care of address. So either by using agent advertisement or by using agent solicitation, the mobile node will get its own care of address from the foreign agent. That is what called agent discovery. And the next supporting service is registration. See, when a mobile node is moving from home network to foreign network, it is getting care of address from the foreign agent. Then important job of it is to inform that care of address to the home agent, because the home agent receives any packet, that packet should be forwarded to the mobile node. Okay, so after getting care of address from the foreign agent, the mobile node has to inform it to the home network, especially to the home agent. Okay, so this process is called a registration process. And finally, we come to working of mobile IP. You can see the figure here. So we all know very well that internet is consisting of number of networks, right? So in simple words, network of networks. Let's see now here the number of networks connected with the internet, among which one network is known as home network, which is controlled by the router called home agent. One more network is there, that is named as foreign network, that is controlled by another router called a foreign agent. Okay, and there is one fixed node which is also connected to internet using a router. Okay, what is the first step? So in this scenario, this correspondent node wants to communicate with the mobile node. But mobile node has moved from home network to foreign network. What is home network and what is foreign network? Home network has assigned one address to mobile node, okay, as its part. But mobile node is not available in the home network now. It has moved away from home network to foreign network, right? Now the first step is the correspondent node wants to send some data packets to mobile node. What it will do? It will simply insert a destination address as this mobile node's address and transmit the packets. The packets are reaching the home agent. The home agent will receive the packet and it will see for whom the packet has come. In destination address, it finds the address of mobile node. The router very well knows about it because the mobile node is not available in the home network now. So the router will decide. The router will decide to forward the packets to foreign agent, because when the mobile node moves to foreign network, the mobile node has got a care of address from foreign agent. That care of address has been informed to the home agent. Now the home agent is knowing very well that mobile node is not available in its own network. It has moved away to foreign network, and using care of address, the packets will be reframed as new packets. Those new packets will be forwarded from the home agent to foreign agent. That is step 2. Okay. And in step 3, what's happening? The packets are received by foreign agent. Foreign agent knows about the availability of mobile node in its own network. So it will send all the packets to the mobile node. Now the mobile node will remove the bigger packet and it will take a smaller packet inside and it will use, and the reply will be sent from the mobile node from foreign agent directly to the correspondent node. Now you see, the foreign agent uh, will simply open the packet and forward the packet to mobile node, and the mobile node will open the packet and use the packet, and it will come to know about the correspondent node. It means who is communicating with us, and then the reply will be directly sent to the correspondent node. So what is the main use of mobile IP here? Just to allow the mobile node to go wherever, to enter into whatever the network, but having only one IP address. Using that only one IP address, the mobile node is moving wherever it wants to go, and the communication is done without any interruption. That is the main function of mobile IP. I hope all would have understood the functionality of mobile IP. Thank you.